Jaden walking slowly through hallway.
They laughed at me every day. Because of my clothes, my voice, even my smile. Other students laugh or whisper in background. I started to believe them. They hate me. Maybe I didn't belong.
Jaden, your voice matters, you matter.
I wish I could disappear and stay away from all this tribulation.
You're not alone. You are brave. We'll face this together.
I stopped listening to them and started listening to me.
I have to be frank with you. You are so brave with all this bullying, just keep it up, you get away.
I was bullied. But I'm still here. And now, I speak for others too. Choose kindness. Speak up. We're stronger than hate.
Bullying ends when we stand together. You are not alone, you are stronger than their words.